Did you know that Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, acts like a massive cosmic vacuum cleaner due to its strong gravitational pull? When meteors, asteroids, or comets come within its gravitational range, they are often sucked in and collide with the planet. Such collisions usually result in spectacular explosions with tremendous energy release. A striking example of these impacts is the collision of the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 in 1994, which created visible fireballs as the fragments entered Jupiter's atmosphere. These frequent, intense impacts have led scientists to believe that Jupiter plays a protective role in our solar system, preventing many space objects from reaching the inner planets, including Earth.